Look, you see that, Robert? There's a few cars here, as always. Oh well, let's give it a go. Nice. Oh, look at how hot it is. Oh man, it's going to be too hot, isn't it? Wow, oh, that's that waterfall, isn't it? It was on that thing, that looks so hot. This part of Kerosene Creek was clearly the popular spot where everyone bathed in the heated stream. So we attempted to follow the stream down to find a more secluded spot and came across a few obstacles, but eventually found the idyllic spot for us. There we are. I suppose that's steep as steep, is it? See? That's it? How's that? Not too deep? And it's warm enough? Not hot, I mean. Okay, it's good. Yay!
Beautiful.
Whoa. We did it. We found a spot, boy. Yes, it's not bad. It's actually not bad, is it? Look at it steaming. It's all steamy hot over there, Bobby. Wow. Oh man.
Baby, you give me ice and fire, giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
It's disappeared. Across the road from Lake Rotorua, we could hear a waterfall. So, naturally, we went to explore. What the heck? Huh. Are you going to feel it? Is it hot? Cold? Is it? Ah, it's a cold one.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Wow. It's orange. How gorgeous. Oh, it's under my feet. Anything? Might not be. Wow. Huh. It's a hidden one. Climbing back down. And there's that beautiful green lake over there. You down? Wait for me. There's another lake over there. Should have gone that side. Hangarua was once the largest exotic forestry plantation in the world. More than 60 different tree species were planted here, including pine, Douglas fir, eucalyptus and larch. And the larch was used for mine props, power poles, fence posts, stays and rails. The Waiotapu has New Zealand's largest area of surface thermal activity, with features such as mud pools, geysers, and the famous Lady Knox geyser, and the Champagne Pool. Nearby, Rainbow Mountain has colourful and steaming volcanic rock. And Maunga Kakaramia means mountain of coloured earth. The famous pink and white terraces were destroyed in 1886 when Mount Tarawera erupted. The depression created by the path of the volcanic activity filled with water, forming Lake Rotorua. Oh no. Safety issues. Don't believe you. Coming? 30 metres. Why? What's with the safety issues? I need to know. This isn't safe. Is that why? It's not going to fall, is it? What's the safety issues? Look at that. Wow. I think those are those mountains too, don't you?
Yeah.
The colourful mountains. Where's the safety issue? I don't get it. Isn't that beautiful? I love this stuff. I love it, I love it. Heaps of it here. Goes on and on. Oh, it does. It's disappeared into it. Oh, how gorgeous. No, I've wrecked it now. Anyway, back on track. Let's go. That's what it's called. Lake Nahiwa. Okay, it's in there. I'll have to go and have a look. Oh man, what the heck? What the heck? Oh, delicious! Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. I didn't come to see you. Man, you poor thing. Anyway, just a lake, as Bobby says. Right, I might skip going past the dead sheep. Not long ago, Lake Okaro was all but dead. Sediments and nutrients from surrounding farmland made the water unfit for most wildlife, and algal blooms were common, and fishing was out of the question. But recently, both the Rotorua District Council and Environment Bay of Plenty have been working hard to reverse the damage. There's now fishing and water skiing on the lake, and the water birds have returned. So well done, team. Oh, if that doesn't hold you, you're on camera. Go on then. You reckon it's safe? I was going to go back the other way. Ooh, it is safe. There it is, Lake Okaro Walkway. Hey, catfish. I love your trailer. Oh, and there's the catfish. It's a good Ngangataha, isn't it? It's a Ngangataha NZMCA camp. There's Rotorua Lake. Ngangataha. Oh, that's so bright, it's ridiculous. Turned into this, haven't they? Those other people are gone. Here in Waiariki, or Hamurana, in the Redwood Grove, the trees are coastal redwoods, or Sequoia sempervirens, the same species found in California. These coastal redwoods are the tallest plants on Earth today. They can grow to 100 metres high and 5 metres thick, although here the tallest are a mere 55 metres high and 2 metres thick. The trees were planted in this forest in 1919, so are just babies compared with the oldest known redwoods at 2,200 years old. Oh look, it starts off as one at the base and then it splits. I think it's two. Now that's funny. Oh, a whole lot of them are doing it. Why is it so funny? There's another one. It's not funny anymore. We too.
We're looking for that easy track.
Yes. So are we. You go for it. Yeah, it looks good for the brave.
Yeah, you're brave enough.
Yeah. Oh, that's fun. Go Bobby, go Bobby. Don't fall off and break your shoulder again. No. We would pass this Zorb place every day as we drove from our campground in Nongataha to take the 6-kilometre drive into Rotorua. So naturally we had to stop and be nosy one day, and were surprised to read that this is a New Zealand invention. I was also fascinated with how they got those big balls back up the hill. Very clever. Now, just a little further on from the Zorb, going into Rotorua, is the Skyline Rotorua attraction. Now, we don't usually do the touristy things as we love getting out into nature, so we didn't stop there this time with the video camera, and because we had already been here before a few times with our children and grandchildren. So, these are only still photos of when we were here last for Robert's 60th birthday celebrations nearly 8 years ago. Fortunately, there's no footage of the time I got way too much air coming down the luge over a jump and caned off, as us Kiwis would say, and ripped holes in my elbows and knees. But it's so much fun on the luge. Not so much on the gondola ride though, for those of us who are scared of heights, that is. We also did this Redwoods tree walk with the children and grandchildren, in the daytime obviously. So Robert and I decided to do this one touristy thing this time. The Redwoods Night Tree Walk. Good grief. This is going to be fun. nice, isn't it? Getting back. Look, can you see that, Robert? Where are you? There's another one.
Clever.
That's cool. There's another one. Clever. It was from 40 metres up. They cut that tree. A weta or something, that one. I don't know what that one is. Hermit crab. Probably see it better. This is kiwi, I think. You can see it better up high where I was. Kiwi. Oh, bigger kiwi. I'm loving it. I like the toilets. Oh no, Robert. No. Isn't it neat? I like it a lot. Oops. Hamurana Springs. There is what it's called. Can you remember that one? Hamurana? Oh, what the? Oh man. Everywhere I go. Poor dead things, follow me. There's a trout swimming. There it moves over there. Oh, you can see it now. Good on you. I nearly went through the board. Oh man. Look, we can actually see you eating the bottom from here. Just a silly little head. The Hamurana Springs was once called Tahuna because the Tahuna River is one of 8 springs that flow into Lake Rotorua. The river and the native birds, pigs and rats, plus the kumara or potato they grew, were vital to the Hawaii generations that migrated here in 1350. The freshwater fish called ko'aru was abundant in Lake Rotorua and its streams. They were able to climb up steep surfaces like waterfalls, dams, and even whitebaiters' buckets. But their numbers are declining due to habitat destruction and predators. I love it. In 1919, this redwood grove was planted alongside the riverbank as a commemoration to returned servicemen from the wars. These are nice redwoods too. But watch out for falling branches. TePuna-a-Hangarua is the largest spring in the North Island. We found another bubbling spring further along, and then came to this amazing dancing sand spring. That was spectacular. We stayed on the edge of Lake Rotorua, just out of Rotorua, in a Bukabach lodge, house, or mansion for us, as it was huge and catered for all our family. It was a family get-together to celebrate Robert's 60th birthday nearly 8 years ago, and we all had such a lovely time. We also visited Paradise Valley Springs, which is 10 minutes drive from Rotorua, and got up close to the animals. Cool. That's cool. That was mean. Look. Oh. Okere Falls Scenic Reserve is 20 minutes from Rotorua, where a trout pool, Hinemoa's Steps, and Tutia's Cave can be found. Also, where we watched rafters being brave and emerging from a waterfall drop. Te Ahi Tupua is situated in the centre of a roundabout, reflecting the place that Rotorua has in the centre of a volcanic caldera, or the depression formed when a volcano erupts or collapses. Visibility. It was National Park we just went through, huh? Rain the whole way from Rotorua, isn't it? Home again. Sunny Wanganui. Not quite sunny. Put everything away. Out come the bikes. Don't have bike racks, do we? Yet.